In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock ChatGPT 2026 full guide. First, start by identifying exactly what the site is telling you. Read the error on the page and note the wording. If you're stuck in a checking your browser loop, that's Cloudflare failing to verify your browser, often because of aggressive ad blockers, script blockers, or stale cookies. If you see error 1020, access denied, that means your current IP address is blocked by OpenAI's firewall. This happens a lot on public Wi-Fi, school, or corporate networks or low-quality shared proxies. Next, quickly rule out extension conflicts. Open a fresh private window and try logging in at chatgpt.com. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus N on Mac. In Firefox or Safari, use Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P. Private mode loads without most third-party extensions, so if ChatGPT opens fine there, you found the culprit. Go back to your regular window, open your extensions or add-ons manager, and disable ad blockers and script managers one at a time until the page loads normally. Re-enable only what doesn't interfere. If you're stuck in a login loop, clear corrupted site data. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, choose Clear Browsing Data, set the time range to all time, and select Cookies and Other Site Data plus Cached Images and Files. Clear, fully restart the browser, and sign in fresh. Keep in mind, this logs you out of sites, so make sure you know your credentials before you wipe. If the error appears instantly, consider your network. A good VPN can help if your region or local network is filtering access, but an overused VPN server can also be blocked. Try switching to a different city or country inside your VPN app to get a clean IP. If you're on a restrictive Wi-Fi, connect your computer to your phone's cellular hotspot and test again. If it works there, your ISP or local firewall is likely the issue. Always follow your local laws and organizational policies. You can also override basic ISP filters with custom DNS. On macOS, open System Settings, go to Network, select your active connection, then Details, DNS, and add 8.188 and 8.8484. On Windows, open Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings, right-click your active connection, choose Properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4. Select. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter those same Google public DNS values. As a quick recap, Cloudflare loops point to extensions and cookies, so use a private window and temporarily disable blockers. Error 1020 means change your IP by leaving public Wi-Fi or flipping your VPN server. Suspicious login loops call for a full cache and cookie reset. And if a school or office network is filtering, DNS changes or a reputable VPN can restore access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back into ChatGPT smoothly.